Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia, professional Russian language teacher, and today I want to share my experience about how to choose a teacher of Russian language, Spanish language, German one, no matter what language you choose. These advices will be about any teacher of the language. And let's start. And first, I think most important that you of course felt comfortable with this person. Teacher should be nice with you, very patient anyway, and it should be main thing adequate, normal person who you will feel comfortable with. No fear, no guilty, you just feel calm. You feel comfortable, you feel like with yourself or with your good friend, or maybe you already can joke with your teacher. So your study process should be for you like fun. You have to come to classes and feel yourself good. So your teacher ideally should be like maybe half teacher, half your friend. This is just my opinion. Some people prefer when teachers are strict. Teacher can be strict, but anyway, teacher should be very patient to your mistakes, so you don't have to feel guilty yourself for your mistakes, or if you didn't do something, if you did something wrong, if you do mistakes, you have to feel comfortable with your teacher. And because if you will start speaking language with the wrong person, I mean maybe kind of a bit aggressive or too strict or something else, you can have a block on speaking, and it will be very complicated to change it later. It is very important, especially for teachers who teach you to speak another language, because if you're after these classes will be scary to speak, this is very bad. Sure, your teacher have to know language very good. I mean, if your teacher is not native speaker, for example, you learn Spanish, so your teacher have to know Spanish very good, or it should be a native speaker. Also, of course, teacher have to know methodology of teaching. For example, if any Russian wanna teach you Russian without knowledges of methodology, how to do this, it's impossible, because this person use all the forms automatically. He or she doesn't think about this, and they don't know why we use here instrumental case. So if I will ask any Russian person why we use here instrumental case or genitive case, or I will ask, please explain me the difference between verbs of motion, or how to explain how to pronounce the sound sh or anything else, it will be very complicated, if you don't know this. Then this person who you work with have to be always in time, don't cancel lessons often, prepare materials, prepare your class, and check your homework in time. Yes. And also it's very important, for example, you need to learn language for travel. You have just some months, so you need to prepare very fast. You need to start speaking basic things, basic phrases, restaurant, taxi, shop, this vocabulary, basic grammar, main constructions. But your teacher start, for example, teaching you cases, something complicated, not what you need right now. Or sometimes students ask me, Nastya, can you prepare me for the dinner with my family, with my friends, or for a date with girl? Or programmer will ask me, let's learn please vocabulary, about everything about technologies, computers. So teacher have to understand what your goals are, and you work according to your goals. Also, most of the time of the class you have to speak. Your teacher have to make everything that you spoke, not your teacher. The main time of the class have to be on the language what you study. This is the main things, I think. Also, sure, it can be important to make funny classes, interesting classes, games, music, and so on. But the main things, this is main things for me. So guys, I wish you good luck with your study and have a nice day.